We are back here on Carolina Women, and yes, we all got the memo today. Gwyn is here from Lux. She's the marketing coordinator, and it's a treat to see her. She looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm sure on TV beautiful, but in person even better. Plus, she has the coolest nails ever. I love it.
20.
Lots of changes in the past 8 months that are really wonderful for Lux. Share a little bit with us about what you all are doing differently.
Of course. Well, we are still co-owned by our board-certified dermatologist, Dr. Traywick of May River Dermatology, and our board-certified plastic surgeon, Weniger, MD of Weniger Plastic Surgery. And at the forefront, our top priority of what we do is all about patient satisfaction and patient care.
And that's fun. That's what you said at the end of the day. We just care about our patients. We just want them happy.
Of course. So actually this past June, we launched our online scheduler. And our goal in that is to make the scheduling process seamless.
Okay.
So our patients can go online on our website, luxwhhi.com, and schedule their appointments with 24/7 access.
See, that's amazing.
Can they change and adjust too? Like if you know something pops up, they don't have to phone in. They can just log in and.
Well, we use a really amazing text system, so you can just cancel your appointment via text.
Oh, can you? Oh,
that
pretty
is so
cool.
Convenient.
What are some of the things that you really love about Lux as far as treatments that are kind of, everything?
The skincare line.
Yeah, the skincare line, and things that are kind of new that people may not really know about right now.
Right, so we have our own skincare line, Lumen Skincare, formulated by Dr. Traywick and Dr. Weniger, and that skincare line is very customized to your skin concerns.
So whether I'm young or medium or not so young.
Right, exactly. So if it's anti-aging or if it's preventative, that's the #1 lesson I've actually learned working at Lux. Everyone comes in with a different concern. So whether you're preventing or whether you're correcting, we have the answer for you. But Lumen is about to release some new products that you can expect to see this fall on our shelves.
Just for people who may not know the services that are provided by Lux, what are some of the services?
Of course, so in both of our locations, we offer everything from wrinkle relaxers. So those are your Botox and your Dysport.
Did you say wrinkle relaxers?
Erin and I are like, you have our full attention.
We'd be good candidates, I think, for that.
Okay. Fillers.
Okay.
So that will be with our nurse practitioners or our doctors. We offer chemical peels, facials, hydrofacials. We offer microneedlings and lasers.
Oh my gosh, so for someone who may not really know or understand what they need or what they want, are there consultations? Can I book a time to come in with someone and just say, give us an overview of what you can do and what might be best for me?
That's exactly what we recommend doing. So even on our new online scheduler, you can schedule your new patient consultation. And I think that's important because sometimes people are a little nervous to book that first consult. So when you're doing it online, you don't have to talk to us.
Because you're getting like an assessment of your skin, so it is a little nerve-wracking.
Yeah, but we'll bring you in, you'll meet with an esthetician, a doctor, or a nurse practitioner, and they'll tell you exactly what you need and kind of put you on that plan to the right track.
And are people coming in for the chemical peels and facials and things like after the summer? Is that a good time to schedule chemical peels?
That's a perfect time. Actually, the fall is probably... Chemical peels are our #1 seller in the fall.
Yeah.
Oh, because we've maybe had a teeny bit of
exposure.
Yes, exactly. Sun exposure, kind of the pigmentation on your skin.
If I go onto the portal and I live in Hilton Head, do I have a choice of locations, or how does all that work?
Absolutely. So right now we can schedule our nurse practitioners. So in Bluffton we have Erin, our nurse practitioner in Bluffton, and Kylie Gratton in Bluffton and Hilton Head, and then in Hilton Head, we have our nurse practitioner, Elizabeth Appling.
Oh, I've met
so
Elizabeth.
You can schedule. She is amazing. They're all amazing, and they're so highly trained.
It's fun to go in there. Every time we go in, the staff's pretty amazing, and we just sit there in awe of everybody.
And the environment.
Yeah,
they're beautiful. Beautiful places.
It is. It really is. And everybody's been really helpful coming in and just talking about the skincare. Or where do I even start? It's been great having people kind of step us through what to do. So.
Right, well, we all go through those trainings. So me as the marketing coordinator, I'm in those skincare trainings. Our front desk, they're in the skincare trainings. Our nurse practitioners, our estheticians.
So everybody's cross-trained with everything.
We're all
that's amazing.
So you can really ask any of us for advice.
Okay, the autumn is coming. The kids are in school. It's time for a little consultation and self-care at Lux.
I'm ready for that.
Gwyn, thank you for joining us. Stay with us. There's a lot more to come here on Carolina Women.